Ma-Afrika mahle, bhotani bantu bomgquba. Igama lami ndinguSilindile wakwaLufelo. Umampinga umbhalo kaQosha into omntwana ingabi noboya ifuna abantwana ifuna abadala. Guys, ananoma niqale phi ne? Kodwa into endifuna uqala ngayo ndifuna ubulela kakhulu. Nihambe nami le journey until this far. Ndiyabulela kakhulu bendizoba ngibani na ngaphandle kwenu ngoba yona nto siyilibala uba the more we go up and recognized siyalibala uba siqale phi, and I always want to show my gratitude to you. Namhlanje ke bethuna excited. Ndiphethe uMagumede apha guys, ngiphethe umnguni kaYeyeye. Ngiphethe usisi obizwa ngoNosipho Khuzwayo kodwa ke nina ke nimazi ngokuba unguNosem. She's in the building guys, ndizamnikeza ithuba makazazi sibungibani.
No, hayi ubusungisho wangiqeda ke phela hayi Nosem uMamnguni Nosipho Khuzwayo. Siyabonga kakhulu bakithi. Siyabonga kakhulu to be here.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngiyakwazi umuntu obusy. But ngiyabonga for leli thuba leli. So I just kunezinto abantu abakwazi ngazo, kunezinto abangakwazi ngazo. So ngifuna nje singene kancane ukuthi ubani Nosipho wakwaKhuzwayo.
I never know how to answer this question honestly, but yimi nje intombazane yaseMnambithi kwaHlathe number 2, a poet, a musician, a CEO, businesswoman, event organizer. Konke nje
kuningi nje bathi bayibizani kanje lento bathi serial what? Serial hustler, serial crafter, serial creator. That's what she is.
Angihlulwa into engakhulumi.
I love that. I love that. I-reason yokuthi ngavula i-podcast. Most of times uSilindile uqala something. You have something in your mind.
Yeah.
You see it flowing like ukubone nje like it flows like a dead fish in the sea. And then uhlangane nengqinamba.
Yeah.
And then you feel discouraged. The purpose of this is to understand, to make people understand ukuthi you start somewhere. And even those people abamazi uNosem naye akafika ngalapha afike khona today easy like that. So we want to encourage those people to keep on going. Being consistent and all that, being resilient, all of that, it will work. Uzalelwe ephi dali wami?
Ngizalelwe eMnambithi, Ladysmith Hospital. And then ngakhulela kwaHlathe number 2. And then I moved with my sister ngayohlala eAcatiaville, Masabab City. And then from there I've been in and out kuma boarding schools, not because bengihlupha, but I think she just wanted to move me from, izinto zasekhaya inkinga, and just have me learn kahle outside of that. So I went to Mlazi Vukzakhe. I did grade 8, grade 9 and 10 there. And then I went to a Bigville, MPC. I did the rest there. And then I went to a DUT for tertiary. And then I dropped out because what I was studying wasn't my thing. And then from there I started posting my videos of poetry, because even at school I used to do my morning assemblies, reciting. I was directing a drama, I was directing a choir, so I've always liked art. So when I dropped out, my sister was like, there's no money in art. So Mina, I can't help you. So I started posting, tagging people. My Marisa reached out, but that didn't work out. And then Usjava reached out. And then from there I moved straight to Josie. And then, the career started, music and everything.
Because I have a picture of that. And you know what? I like it when you say, boarding school doesn't mean to ustot. My kids bakhulele boarding school. But they are the ones, actually my son is the one, when he was in grade 7, he said, Mama, I ngibona ngomalume indlela aziphethe ngayo since ekhulele boarding school, and I think I want to go learn ukuba independent. And that was the best thing ever, because it fundisa independence.
It does.
It does. So now, can you at least ungitshele nje kancane i-structure sasekhaya ukuthi ekukhuleni ukhule nobani, bekukho bani around you?
Khaya ngikhule with my mom and my siblings. Usisi ubesebenza kakhulu, so siba 5 ekhaya. I'm the last born. First born usisi wami umfana uyedwa actually ilo engimlamayo. Yeah, ngikhule nabo nje. But bekuba khona ukuthi bahambe beyosebenza kude and stuff like that. At some point bengihlala nje kuyimi noma at some point bengihlala nosisi. So bekushintsha nje. But yeah, and then I went to a boarding school.
Ubaba ngiyuzumbiza in the process or structure.
Yeah, ubaba noma separated very early, you know. So bengihlala noma ne-stepfather actually. Very good guy. So yeah, ubaba bengimbona ngokumvakashela emakhaya because wasala yena emakhaya, so besimvakashela, but now he's late. But yeah, umuntu ade khona wesilisa nje was the stepfather, but nakhona he wasn't ubengazami ukuthi azama ukuba ubaba, you know, so that he wouldn't overcrowd everything, but ubeba khona nje with advice and stuff. Yeah,
because now kunalento ukuthi most of women whenever their relationships, like romantically, when they don't work, baba nalento ukuthi I was looking for my father's love in other men's faces. Do you think that works? I guess
daddy issues.
Yes, because now someone spoke about love is love. Love is a universal thing.
Yeah.
You choose what kind of love you call love.
Yeah.
And yesterday I was watching another documentary, and they said there's no universal love. There's true love, because if there was a universal love, wouldn't be killing each other, wouldn't be doing anything like that.
Yeah.
How do we always tell those girls out there who don't have their fathers present how to recall what is love?
I don't know. I feel like as a person with instinct, you know, you always know into my wrong, you know my right, and we have friends. Baningi abantu abakhule beyintandane and stuff like that, but you can differentiate between into wrong and into right. So if it's a problem, you are really attracted to izinto ezimbi, then you must just find help, you know, speak to someone, stuff like that. Because there's people who were right, but they still go for izinto ezi wrong. So I wouldn't box it's just because there's no father in your life. I think it's a human thing, Jay. Sometimes we like bad boys.
We like bad boys. The petty, you know, I can relate to that. I think the moment you keep on dating same people, the same person, you need to recognize it at some point and try to and okay, this is how I've been doing things. How about I try? Because sometimes nama fears of an unknown.